Hello, and welcome to a new episode from Mac the Tech. This is Muhammad. I am Power BI consultant, and I'm here to help you in your Power BI project. I make a small series of episodes that cover different topics in Power BI to guide you and help you in your Power BI journey. I think you will like the content that I'm presenting, and for this, I'm going to ask you to subscribe for this channel, turn on the bell icon to receive notification as soon as I post something new, and like and share the episode with your friends that are interested in such content. Without further ado, let's go to the episode and see what today we are going to cover in Power BI. On the computer. And today we are going to cover an important aspect of designing your report. This very important aspect of designing the report is actually the colors that you use in the report. At any point, if we are in the report, we can go to view, and in the view we can find and in the themes you can find easily the color used in this report, and you can use and select any of these themes, or you can browse for themes that you have designed your own, and you can select from different theme galleries that are available. If I choose this one, for example, the report will change and you'll see this combination that happened with the report. If I choose this one, it will change to a completely different visuals as well. Let's take it back. Let's say you don't want to use these preset themes that are already available at your fingertip, but you want to design your own colors, but you don't know which color match with each other. There's a very important tool. So let's see it. So if you go to www.canva.com, and once you enter it, you have to sign in by your username. It's for free. There's many of the tools here for free. There's also a pro version where you can do many things. But let's focus on the free version. All you have to do is go to Design Spotlight and start creating any of the ones below. Say, for example, Logo Maker. So if I go to Logo Maker, all I have to do, scroll down, down, down until you reach these features, explore, community, download, and company. If we go to explore, you'll find design ideas, custom prints, colors, color wheel. Go to color wheel. Once you click on the color wheel, immediately it will open for you a page that has these ideas. So pick a color. So if you choose the color already, you can paste it in here as a hex number, or you can choose from these a color combination. These are the complementary combinations. So these are the two colors that work always with each other in a very nice way. So for example, if you choose the purple, the green goes with the purple. If you choose the red, the blue goes with the red. If you choose the blue goes with the red, and so on. Very, very nice and very interesting way of looking at things. So if you go to monochromatic, this will give you a gradient of a color. So if you choose, for example, this one, this one, this one, and you see a preview on the page for the color wheel as well here. So say analogous, these are three colors with different intensity of the same color or something, or the high edges and the low edges of the color. So as you move, for example, red, yellow, green, and you see how it changes. There's the trideck, which is an important one because these are the three colors that work amazingly with each other. And finally, there's the tetra deck. And the tetra deck is one of the nice things. So I choose these, for example, 4 colors. And now let's build the report with these. When you click on the hex number, see, it's click to copy. Click on it, it's copied. Now go back to the report. Let's select these visuals. Now I've selected these visuals. I can go to Format pane. I go to Columns. And I more colors, and I paste this color in here. And once I paste it, it should change for all the 3 colors as well. But it's taking a lot of time. I will repeat it for the same to these two. So I'm going to select these 2 visuals, go to the color pane, to the format visuals, select the new color, paste it, and here you go. The 3 colors changed to the new blue that I get. If I want to take, for example, say this one, I'm going to copy this one, go back, select, for example, the title, and say in the effects, I want to change this color to the new brown color. And here it is, it changed. And finally, say I want this sort of pink color. I'm gonna take it, and in the middle here, I'm going to change the color of the column into the new pink color so I paste the number here, and here you go. And now you can see that these are the colors that recommended by the canvas to use together. This is very important, and it will change the way you design, because now you have, like, for example, a color consultant that's sitting with you and can change the whole report for you the way you want. That's it for today. I hope you liked the episode, and if you liked the episode, please write in the comments what did you like, and let's open a discussion about the episode and what you think is challenging to you in your Power BI project. I'm here to help you. Please reach out if you need any help. Have a nice day.